But let's look through all this stuff now. So I'm not sure what this is. It's leather. I feel like it might be for a seat belt or like a very tiny sun visor. I'm not sure. This type of tube with a vent, looks like some type of vent at the top. Inside this box, let's get a little closer. There's, looks like, not sure, some type of like rivet looking things. It's stuck to me. There's this, not sure what it is. Another one, gasket, or, no, that's leather, not sure. Some other little trim piece, there's two of them, and a screw, a nut, and a washer. This is definitely gonna be a big project. So inside of here, I'll get everything laid out. Actually, I'll move to the big bag last, so I'll have an open up table. So here are the hubcaps. They're all in good condition. A little box. So there's accessories at the top. One piece 6mm. So that can, or eyepiece 6mm. A screwdriver 1 piece. Oh, I think this might have been like a radio box. Some type of like, I'm not sure. Because it says iPod head something. So it might be like iPod head unit. But that box looks really old, like the font. And yeah, it won't focus, obviously. This camera's being dumb. There's a chain. Film cartridges. Some type of little mirror. That's it for that box. Still not sure what this piece is. If you know, you can tell me. It feels like aluminum. Like cast aluminum, I think. The paint's peeling off and everything. Not sure what it could be. Actually, maybe it's a thing for a radio to go in there. And then, I'm not sure because that's the side for a radio. And there's 2 holes in it, so maybe. My goal is to get it running and driving here. And then work on it in the spring. Or any days it gets warmer. So I'm not looking forward to work on it in the winter. But yeah, here's an antenna. Maybe they did come with radios, I'm not sure. I haven't heard anything about them. Now let's start getting into the bags. Windshield washer. Really good shape, actually. The blade is done for. The handles and everything look good. Not sure what that is. Probably maybe like an armrest. There's 2 of them, and then 2 washer blades. Box number 2. A cone of some sort. something about Berlin, it says on it. Little plastic piece that's broken. Oh, they're for the mirrors. That makes sense. So I bet that goes on. That might go like that. And then that goes on top. And then got a mirror. That makes sense. And just some other hardware for the mirror. Again, I'm not sure what a lot of this stuff is. Oh, that's cool. Here, the emblems. K3. So I only got P from the Triumph and K3 from Mark III. That's kind of cool. I wish it had all of them, but oh well. It might be in another bag actually, but yeah, that one's broken. Oh, here's another broken letter. Okay, next bag. There's a turn signal. And the front headlight with the trim and everything. Wiring, that's all there. Gasket. Some type of mount inside of there. Okay, another bag with the same stuff, just another headlight and turn signal, but a mouse chewed through the wires. So I feel like I'm gonna have to rewire this entire car. Okay, now for the fun box that I haven't seen anything in yet. First of all, shifter boot. Empty bag. Lots and lots of weather stripping that's completely junk. That. Not sure, maybe a license plate light? Oh, another mouse nest in here. And a radio. I think that's the, yeah, that's an e-brake cover. Lucas Electrical. A lot of the stuff on this said Lucas, so that might be like a person, people that own Triumph. Don't quote me on that. I have no idea. Oh yeah, that's a big mouse nest. Oh yeah, that's a Triumph radio. So that's neat. Wonder if that works. Yeah, there's a bunch of more random. Oh, okay. Door bolts. That was labeled, and I just built it in a big box of bolts. That's nice. Yeah, there's some other random letters and stuff in there, and a bunch of mouse nests mixed in, so I'm gonna have to sort through that all later. I'm not gonna dump out the mouse nest now. Yeah, I think that's all the main things about it. Obviously the trim and stuff up there in the front bumper. But yeah, overall this should be a really fun project. So for the next video, I'm gonna try to unseal the brakes. Or maybe the next video will be trying to start the engine. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see. But thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.